I'm Dr. Stacy Chalmers at Bloomington-Normal Audiology, and welcome to I Hear You, where the audiologists at B&A help answer your hearing-related questions. Whitney in Bloomington asks, what is the best way to relieve ear pressure on an airplane? I've seen advice such as chewing gum and holding your nose then trying to blow, but what is safe and effective? The dreaded ear pressure on an airplane. The good news is there are ways to help prevent it. So what is happening when you get that pressure built up in your ears on an airplane? Well, basically the quick changes in altitude are sometimes too sudden for your eustachian tube to adapt to those changes in pressure and try to keep the pressure equalized. So that often results in the feeling of being plugged up, or like you have something stuck in your ears and you want to clear that pressure or pop your ears. So some of the easier solutions for that are in fact chewing gum. That can be very helpful. Also sucking on candy or yawning or swallowing. All of those get your jaw moving and can help your eustachian tube open up and help equalize the pressure. So one of the more popular things people try to do is to hold their nose and try to blow. That's called the Valsalva maneuver, and that can be very effective for some people. You just have to be careful when you're doing it, that you're not blowing too forcefully, and certain people should not use that maneuver. So it's good to check with your doctor and get some instruction on how to do it safely before you try that method. If there are known allergy or sinus issues, you could talk to your doctor or pharmacist about using possibly a decongestant or nasal spray to help clear out some of that pressure or congestion before you fly. There's also a product called earplanes that not everyone has heard of, but it can be very helpful. It's a soft silicone earplug, and it comes in different sizes, and it helps with a little ceramic filter built in to slow down those pressure changes. So it can make the takeoff and landing more comfortable, and there's also built-in hearing protection too, so it can reduce the cabin noise that can be bothersome at those times also. So yes, chewing gum can help, and holding your nose and blowing can also sometimes help. Just be careful. And then there are several other methods that can help you relieve that pressure when you're flying. Hope that helps. If you have more questions, let us know. I'm Dr. Stacy Chalmers at Bloomington-Normal Audiology, and we're here for you.